Have you ever felt an invisible connection to the world around you? A sense that there's more to reality than what meets the eye? Like an unseen force orchestrates the dance of life? This feeling, this intuition, is not just a figment of your imagination. This force, my friends, is not magic, but the very fabric of reality itself, the quantum field. It's a realm where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Imagine an ocean of energy, vibrating with infinite potential. This ocean is not bound by the physical limitations we perceive in our daily lives. This is the quantum field, a sea of possibilities where everything in the universe is interconnected. Every particle, every wave, every thought is part of this grand tapestry. It's where stars are born, where galaxies collide, and where your dreams take flight. It's a place where the boundaries between the possible and the impossible blur. This field is not some abstract concept relegated to physics textbooks. It's a living, breathing entity that we interact with every moment of our lives. It's alive, it's vibrant, and it's responding to your every thought and emotion. The quantum field is sensitive to the energy you emit, shaping itself in response to your inner world. Yes, you have the power to influence this field, to shape your reality by tapping into its infinite potential. Your thoughts, your feelings, your intentions, they all ripple through this ocean of energy. So open your mind, my friends, and let's dive into this extraordinary realm. Let's explore the depths of the quantum field and discover the true extent of our influence. Together, we'll learn how to navigate the quantum field and manifest the life of our dreams. We'll uncover the secrets of this invisible ocean of energy and harness its power to create a reality that aligns with our highest aspirations. The journey into the quantum field is not just a scientific exploration, but a deeply personal one. It's about understanding our place in the universe and realizing that we are co-creators of our destiny. So let's embark on this journey with an open heart and an open mind. Let's embrace the infinite possibilities that await us in the quantum field. Together, we can transform our lives and the world around us. Remember, the quantum field is always there, waiting for you to tap into its boundless energy. It's a journey of discovery, of empowerment, and of endless wonder. Let's take the first step together. In the quantum realm, separation is an illusion. The boundaries we perceive are mere constructs of our limited senses. When we delve deeper into the fabric of reality, we find that everything is interconnected in ways that are both profound and mysterious. We are not isolated beings, but intricate threads woven into the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Each of us is a unique expression of the universe, a vital part of the cosmic dance. Our lives are interwoven with the stars, the galaxies, and the very essence of existence itself. Just like every drop of water contains the essence of the ocean, every cell in your body vibrates with the energy of the universe. This energy flows through us, connecting us to the vast expanse of the cosmos. It is a reminder that we are never truly alone, for we carry the universe within us. Think about it. The atoms that make up your body were once stardust, forged in the fiery hearts of ancient stars. These atoms have traveled through time and space, becoming part of countless forms before coming together to create you. This cosmic journey is a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. We are literally made of the same stuff as the cosmos, connected by an invisible web of energy that transcends time and space. This web binds us to every star, every planet, and every living being. It is a reminder that we are part of a larger whole, a cosmic family that spans the universe. This connection is not merely poetic but scientifically proven. Quantum mechanics reveals the underlying unity of the universe, showing us that everything is interconnected at the most fundamental level. The discoveries of science echo the wisdom of ancient philosophies, reminding us of our place in the cosmos. Quantum entanglement shows us that particles, once linked, remain connected no matter how far apart they are. This phenomenon defies our conventional understanding of space and time, suggesting that the universe is far more interconnected than we can imagine. Change the state of one, and the other instantly responds. This instantaneous connection transcends distance, hinting at a deeper reality where separation is an illusion. It is a powerful reminder that we are all connected no matter how far apart we may seem. So the next time you feel alone, remember this: you are part of something much larger than yourself. The stars above, the earth beneath your feet, and the people around you are all part of the same cosmic web. You are a vital thread in this grand tapestry, connected to everything and everyone. You are connected to every living being, every shimmering star, every atom in existence. This connection is a source of strength and comfort, reminding you that you are never truly alone. The universe is within you, and you are within the universe. You are never truly alone in the vast expanse of the quantum universe. Embrace this connection and let it fill you with wonder and awe. You are a part of the cosmos, and the cosmos is a part of you. Together we are one. If the quantum field is an ocean of potential, then our thoughts are the waves we create within it. Every thought, no matter how fleeting, sends ripples of energy throughout this field, influencing the fabric of reality. Imagine yourself tossing a pebble into a still pond. The ripples spread outward, disturbing the water's surface. Similarly, your thoughts create waves of energy that interact with the quantum field, influencing the events and experiences you attract into your life. This is not to say that every fleeting negative thought will manifest as a misfortune. The quantum field responds to the overall frequency you emit, your dominant thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Therefore, it's crucial to become mindful of our thought patterns. By consciously choosing positive, empowering thoughts, we can begin to shift our energetic frequency and create a reality that aligns with our deepest desires. Section 4. Feeling abundant. Setting the right frequency. The quantum field doesn't respond to what you want, it responds to who you are being. It's not enough to simply think positive thoughts. You must embody the feeling of your desired reality. Imagine yourself already living a life of abundance. Feel the gratitude for your blessings, the joy of financial freedom, the satisfaction of pursuing your passions. When you embody these emotions, you align your energy with the frequency of abundance. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It's about shifting your perspective, choosing to focus on the good, and cultivating a deep sense of gratitude for all that you have. Remember, the universe responds to your energetic vibration. By cultivating feelings of joy, gratitude, and abundance, you become a magnet for the very things you desire to attract into your life. Section 5. The Law of Attraction. Like attracts like. The law of attraction is not some mystical secret, but a fundamental principle of the quantum universe. Like attracts like. This principle suggests that the energy we put out into the world, whether positive or negative, will attract similar energy back to us. It's a concept that has been echoed in various philosophies and spiritual teachings throughout history. The energy you emit, your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, acts as a magnet, drawing in experiences that match your vibrational frequency. When you think positively and maintain a hopeful outlook, you are more likely to attract positive experiences and opportunities. Conversely, negative thoughts and emotions can draw in more negativity and challenges. If you constantly dwell on negativity, lack, and limitation, you'll inevitably attract more of the same. This is because your focus on these negative aspects reinforces their presence in your life. It's like tuning into a radio station. If you set your frequency to negativity, that's what you'll hear and experience. However, if you focus on positivity, abundance, and possibility, you'll open yourself to a world of opportunity and fulfillment. By shifting your mindset to one of gratitude and optimism, you can change the energy you emit and, consequently, the experiences you attract. This is not about wishful thinking or denying the existence of challenges. Life will always present obstacles, but how you respond to them can make all the difference. By maintaining a positive outlook and focusing on solutions rather than problems, you can navigate challenges more effectively and attract better outcomes. It's about taking conscious control of your energy and aligning yourself with the frequency of your desired reality. This means being mindful of your thoughts and emotions and making a deliberate effort to cultivate those that align with the life you want to create. Remember, you are a powerful creator. Your thoughts and feelings are not just passive experiences, they are active forces that shape your reality. By understanding and applying the law of attraction, you can harness this power to create the life you desire. By understanding the law of attraction, you can consciously choose the thoughts, feelings, and beliefs that shape your reality. This awareness allows you to take control of your life and steer it in the direction you want to go. It's about being proactive in your thinking and intentional in your actions. You have the power to create a life filled with joy, love, and abundance. By aligning your energy with these positive states, you can attract more of them into your life. It's a continuous process of self-awareness and adjustment, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Embrace the law of attraction and watch as your life transforms in beautiful and unexpected ways.